the 2013 Toyota Camry LE. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features cruise control, power windows, and traction control. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, a CD player, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.